Okay, so now we're going to look at an example of a rectangular prism. And so here, the reason why it's called a rectangular prism is because my base here is in the form of a rectangle. And so on the right, you see that I have that the volume of a rectangular prism is given by the length times the width times the height. So that fancy L is for length, the W is for width, and then the H is for height. Okay, and so again, I'm telling you that you may see, instead of the length times width, you may see a big B, which means the area of the base. Okay, and in this case, like I said, the base of our prism here is a rectangle, and so that's why there I'm saying to you it's length times width times height, instead of using the big B. Okay, and so now looking at my diagram to the left here, I just have labeled to you in pink so you can visually see there that this is my, in the base here I have a rectangle. Alright, so I colored that in pink, and so I have that my length is 10 and my width is 3, and so you can see that in pink highlighted there that this is the length and the width of my base, which is a rectangle. And then here I have that my height is going to be 4 inches, so the height of my rectangular prism here is 4 inches. That's what I highlighted to you in yellow. And so now using the formula to figure out what's the volume of the rectangular prism, the volume is equal to the length times the width times the height. And so this is going to be 10 times 3 times 4. Plugging into the formula, of course, because here I'm saying that my 10 is my length, my 3 is my width, and then the 4 is my height. And so now, multiplying these numbers out here, working from left to right, or just putting into your calculator, you have that 10 times 3 is 30, times 4, which is equal to 120 inches cubed.